thank you so much for coming back to my channel. It's truly a pleasure having you here. If you're joining for the first time, go ahead and subscribe down below. Click that notification bell and then you're going to select all from the list so you can be notified of all the videos when I post them and you won't miss out on any. So without further ado, we're going to jump into today's video. As you can see from the title, we're going to be reviewing the Mega Growth line, and Mega Growth has been on the market for some time, but they have improved their line, meaning they have incorporated products to cater for natural hair, the natural hair community. So we're going to be reviewing their line today. So if you want to see that, just go ahead and keep on watching.
So the first product is the Mega Growth Stimulating Shampoo, Anti-Breakage, Strengthening, Restore and Repair. It has 354 mils and that's 12 fluid ounces. It has no sulfate, no parabens, no mineral oil, no petroleum, no DEA, etc. It is used to help strengthen from within. It stops breakage and promote healthy hair, remove excessive buildup, give a maximum cleanse, and it restores the hair natural bounce, body and sheen. It is also infused with ultra protective blends of natural oil and conditioning protein that helps to strengthen the hair deep from inside for stronger, longer, healthier hair, prevent dryness, restore softness, moisture, and it also works on split ends and frizzes.
So while applying the shampoo to my hair, I noticed that it's spreading nicely. I don't have to use too much of this product to get it to actually saturate the entire portion of my scalp. It spreads nicely and it has a little bit, just a small amount of tingling sensation that I've noticed. I could be wrong, but I did notice just a little bit of tingling sensation when I first applied the product. It stimulates the scalp, so I don't mind that sensation. And I also noticed that it has a fragrance to it that is pleasant to the scent. I don't mind it. It smells really nice. I like the scent of it. So we're just going to go ahead and work this into our hair, and then we're going to go ahead and rinse the product out. So after I've rinsed my hair out, I'm noticing that my scalp really does feel, and it seems to be very clean and refreshed. I'm not seeing any buildup on my scalp. It's not itchy in any way, and I'm seeing where my hair is starting to feel light and refreshed. So the second product that we're going to be reviewing today is their conditioner, and it's the Mega Growth Detangling Conditioner, and it says the same thing: anti-breakage, strengthening, restore and repair. It has also 354 mils, which is 12 fluid ounces. It has no sulfate, no mineral, no DEA, no petroleum. It says the same thing: infused with ultra protective blends of natural oils and conditioning proteins that help to strengthen the hair deep inside for stronger, longer, healthier hair. It restores natural sheen and softness, detangle and improve manageability, provide vitality, body and bounce, and it strengthens and protects the hair. I'm going to go ahead and apply this to the shaft and the ends of my hair, and then I'm going to work the product in. So while applying the product, I'm noticing that I have to be applying a whole lot of the product to compensate for the thinness and the lightness of the product. I'm used to a more thicker consistency in the conditioner to help push back moisture into the hair. I'm not getting it from this conditioner, so I have to be applying a whole lot to the hair so that I can get it completely saturated. So that's one thing that I'm noticing so far. It's very light. I'm also not getting enough or much sleep at all to even think about detangling my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this throughout my hair and then see what happens next. So this is my hair after I've actually rinsed the conditioner out. It smells really nice, but I'm seeing a little bit of curls coming in, but I haven't detangled, so I can't speak to that exactly. The hair is not feeling very soft, but we're going to go ahead and move on to the next product. So the next product in the line is their deep conditioner, and this is the Mega Growth Deep Conditioner Anti-Breakage Strengthen, Restore and Repair, and it has no sulfate, just the same like the others, and it is infused with oils, natural oils and conditioning protein just like the others. And this, they say, helps to rebuild hair strength deep inside. It protects against styling stresses, restores softness and natural sheen. It says excellent for deep repairs of damage caused by styling stresses, heat styling, over processing and dryness. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my entire head. I'm going to apply it to my hair again, from the shaft of my hair down to the tips and around the perimeter of my hair. My hair is not yet detangled, so I have to move carefully, trying not to cause any kinks, any breakage, etc. So I'm just going to apply this to my hair, and then I'm going to place a plastic cap over my hair, sit for about 15 minutes, and then I'll return and see if I can actually get to detangle my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like after I have sat for about 20 minutes. I'm feeling my hair is warm, so the heat from my head did give some amount of steam to the hair, so it does feel a little softer than when I had initially applied it. I don't have a lot of slip, just the same, but I'm going to go in and detangle my hair from the ends. I'm working very gentle and I am trying to be as patient as I can because I'm not getting a lot of slip. So with a little bit of patience, I'm sure I can get the job done. So I'm going in and I'm just going to detangle my hair. As you can see, my hair is fully detangled, so with a little bit of patience I did get the job done, and I'm seeing where the product is working into the hair and it is giving me some amount of softness. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse this product out of my hair. So the next product that we're reviewing is their leave-in. Is the Mega Growth Daily Leave-In Strengthener, break free, and it's also for strengthens, restore and repairing properties. It also has none of the harmful chemicals that we read before, and it also is infused with natural oils and conditioning proteins. It helps to strengthen hair deep inside. It protects against styling stresses and chemical damage. It detangles, softens and silkens the hair. So I'm going ahead and I'm going to apply this to my hair as usual. Then I'm going to follow up with the next product, which is their Mega Growth Oil, also for anti-breakage, strengthening and restoring repair. It has 335 mils, which is 8 fluid ounces. Also has no harmful chemicals, and it says that it can be used for whatever texture or hairstyle, defends against breakage, split ends, dryness, and helps soothe dry scalp, protects against heat damage, promotes healthy looking growth, and it can be used as a multi-purpose oil for dry hair, scalp, nails and skin. Excellent hot oil treatment for relief of dry scalp and damaged hair. So as you all know, if you've been watching my channel, I do not use any other oil than the oil that I make myself from my natural oils. And if you have been watching, you know that I've been doing it for quite some time now. I think it's like one of the first videos I did on YouTube. You can check it out. I leave a link to it for you in the description box. And by the way, if you're still here watching the video and you're not yet subscribed, just take a minute. It doesn't even take a minute, like a second. Just click the red subscribe button and just press the notification bell. You might as well do it because you're this far in the video, so just go ahead and subscribe. So like I said, I haven't used another oil since, so I'm going to give this oil a chance. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this as usual to the scalp of my hair and to the shaft and the ends of my hair. And I'm going to go ahead also and massage the scalp and work it into my hair, following up this with a comb to just work the product into my hair entirely and just allow it to absorb and smooth onto the strands of my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like afterwards. When I just started this, I did not expect or anticipate that my hair would turn out this way, but this is what it's looking like. It's really soft, it feels really soft, and it smells really good. It's really shiny, as you can see, so I'm not mad at all. I really did not expect this result. I did not expect this result. Okay guys, so I went ahead and twist my hair, just some chunky twists to allow my hair to dry overnight, and then I pulled it out, and this is what my hair is looking like. As you can see, I still have a lot of my curls. I did not use a curling cream or a custard or a gel. This is what the hair is looking like after using those products the following day. It is not overly greasy, but it can feel that it is moisturized, and it has a good amount of oil to help keep the hair moisturized. It feels very soft and light, and yeah, I'm liking it. I'm liking the result. I didn't expect this kind of result, to be honest. These products and their consistency are not what I'm used to, but I don't mind the results at all. If you want to take a closer look, so this is what it looks like up close, and right now my hair is completely dry. I have no other product. I just twist my hair and pull it out. I'm just going to group all my cons and my pros together because they're basically the same for all the products. So the first con that I would say is that it's very lightweight. It's not the consistency that I'm used to. I'm used to getting thicker products that really pushes the moisture and hydration into my hair and allow it to stay there for a longer period of time before it starts to evaporate. Secondly, I'm noticing that in their advertisement, initially when they came out with this, initially when I started seeing this on the market, it was meant for chemically treated hair. As you can see on the display, you see a lot of the females have chemically processed hair. So I think a lot of the products are geared towards persons that have that type of hair. However, they have improved it and said that okay, we're going to include natural hairs by throwing on new and improved, no sulfate, no parabens, no mineral oil, which are some of the things that we look for as naturals. So I don't think that it is specifically for natural hair. I think that they have broadened the scope a little bit to facilitate natural hair. So that's the other con that I've noticed. So for pros, I do believe that this product line is extremely affordable in comparison to a lot of the other products that are on the market for natural hair. And you do get a good amount of product in your container, and you get quite a bit of use out of it depending on your hair type, the amount of hair that you have, or how often you wash your hair, such stuff like that. But you do get a good amount, and I believe you get a good amount of uses out of these products. Secondly, I do like the scent of it. If you're not someone who loves fragrance, well, that's okay, but I think the scent is very pleasant. It's not overwhelming or overpowering. It leaves your hair feeling nice and fresh and clean. I am very fond of the smell. I've always been fond of the smell, so I think that is a pro for me. So I'm not going to go too much into it. It's what it is. It's a simple, affordable product that you can use to get very easy result if you're not going too overboard. So would I recommend this product? Yes, I would. I would recommend it to someone that has very light hair or has very fine density hair, someone that don't have a lot of hair and they don't want anything to weigh their hair down. I think it would work out very good for that person. And if you just want a very light bouncy finish, it would work out in that sense also. Someone that's working on a budget, you want something, you want to transition into natural, or you are just getting to this whole hair care journey and you want a line of product, or you want a few items from the line, but you don't want to overspend, or you're working with a very small budget, I would say yes, you can maybe try this brand out. And if you would like to move your way up, yes, it's a good starter brand. Would I repurchase it personally? No, I would not repurchase it for myself, because like I said, I prefer to use products that are on the thicker side. But it's okay in general. I would give it like a 6 or 7 out of 10. 6 or 7 out of 10 for me personally. I did use some of this product on other persons prior to this video, just to try it out in different hair textures, different hair types, see the results I got. And the review that I gave today are based on some of those results that I got on previous hair types, different textures, etc. So I know for sure that what I'm saying is not just based on my hair type. Alright, so leave your comments, leave your questions, leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, share it with someone, and guys, subscribe down below, click the notification bell, and you have to select all. After you've clicked the bell, persons are telling me that they're not seeing the videos coming up. It's because YouTube sometimes doesn't allow it, so you have to click all. After you click the notification bell, select all. So you'll see something like all, personal, and something else. You have to select all. That is basically giving YouTube the instructions to go ahead and send all the videos your way as soon as they're posted. So as soon as they're posted, you'll see them and you won't have to miss out on any of the videos. Okay guys, thank you so much. If you stay to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I'm your girl Momo. Thanks for watching this video. Take care.